Hi, and welcome to Help Tech. In this video I'll be showing you how to remove the test mode watermark from your Windows 10 desktop. The test mode appears on your Windows desktop when there is an application installed that is in the test phase, since it uses drivers that are not digitally signed by Microsoft. You can disable this by following along. Go to the Start menu. Then type CMD. Then in the right side of the menu, left-click on Run as Administrator. Now, copy the code in the description below and right-click in the command prompt windows to paste it. Hit Enter on your keyboard. Now close the window and restart your PC. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos. If you got stuck at some point, please let me know in the comments. I'll be glad to help.